Sorry, I paused the video by accident. 12 months warranty. Apparently other manufacturers give you only 6 months warranty. Yeah, so that will come up here somewhere there, and then the wiring. I've already started running some of the wiring because I want to have a USB socket here somewhere around there, in this side of the van, sort of top of the arch wheel, a USB port and a cigarette lighter. And this side I want to have same thing, USB and cigarette lighter, and here I'll have the light switches. These I'm going to have two light switch, one to control the LEDs on the top of the roof of the van, and another to control an LED on top of here. So I'm going to do the same sort of scenario what I'm doing in the back, where I'm going to put an LED that swivels. So I want to swivel it inwards. Just had a bug in my finger. Inwards or outwards, because I'm planning to build in there an awning, which I haven't decided yet. Everything that I looked at is really not what I'm looking for. An awning here that will extend out, so you have a living area here, and that's where that kitchen is going to protect you. A lot of people, you know, this area here will be protected by the awning, but a lot of people decide they go with the back area. I don't know if you can see this, but it's not a lot of area to work with. If you have wind or you have rain with wind, it's going to be a problem working here, because a lot of people put their drawers out here that with built-in kitchen, which I didn't like because it's not enough area. Look how big it is, not much. So I've decided to work with the side of the van. It gives me a long, nice living area over there. Okay, it extends out. Now that gives me more space. I'm thinking later on I might put a swivel seat on the back, on top of for the seat for the driver and the passenger seat. But to be honest with you, I'm not sure how that's going to work with the batteries, because they're really tight and I need to put them in place. Today was supposed to be the day that I fit the batteries, but I decided to make a video, first time video I've ever made about the conversion. And there I'm going to be mounting a TV. The reason why I want to choose that TV there, the space of the TV, or the place of the TV, is because I wanted a TV that I can watch here when I'm putting my head down. So I'm going to take out, you can see the arms there, the two arms. They're going to be mounted on the post. Okay, ideally they'll be mounting on the post. I'm not sure that's going to happen that way. And then I'll be swiveling that TV inwards and out there somewhere to be able to watch down here. That's going to be about a 20-inch 12-volt TV. Now the reason why I chose that area as well is because if I want to, you know, if we set up and I have my awning out here, I want to be able to swivel this TV out from there, swivel it in the arm, so the arm will come out and the TV is going to be here somewhere, like here. Sorry, I'm being ambitious. And move the light out, so the TV will be out where it is. Now, for a couple of reasons, if I'm working here and making some food or cooking and someone wants to watch TV, they're welcome. I'm thinking of putting the kitchen in the way it slides out. I'm cooking from this side of the van rather from the entry side of the van. Okay, so I want to slide that out and have this cooking area. The cooking area will be here somewhere, and the fridge will be here, so I can access the fridge whenever I want. It's going to be, the fridge will be on the slider as well, so when it slides out, the fridge will be coming out. Again, keeps the fridge cool as well. I'm not sure if that will help, but the fridge will become where the kitchen is, and the kitchen will become somewhere out there, and I'll have the awning that protects me from the sun and the elements. I'm going to show you another idea that I had in mind as well about the awning. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I'll have to do it and then share my experience with you. Now, what I've done so far is I ran cables. I'm going to show you later on in the video, in another video, how I chose the cable size. Okay, cables to the LED. I already ran this cable here somewhere, in here somewhere, that will come down. I run a cable to the other side where that yellow cable is. It's going to come out. That's for the cigarette lighters. I run a cable for the pump. And no, this says water pump there, but that's not right. So let me wipe that off so I'm not confusing you guys. And here we go. See the top. Okay, that was supposed to come out easy, but it didn't. Okay, it's been too long. So anyway, you get the idea. So there. The water pump's already connected. I already have the cable that comes out for the LEDs here already. I just stuffed it in there. I'm also going to connect my reverse camera light. What else I was going to do is that's about it really. That's the idea of everything. Now I am pretty sure everything is going to change. Well, a lot of things are going to change once I put the panels on the wall after the installation. So I'm going to talk to you another video about the installation, but I'm going to put the insulation, then put some sort of plywood, or there's another material. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be using for, or I think what I'm going to be using for the panels and what I'm going to be using for the drawers. So stay tuned and subscribe, like, if you want to see more of these videos. Talk to you soon.